Weber Marking Systems is a German manufacturer of industrial labeling and coding systems, including professional inkjet printers, labeling systems and RFID technology. The European headquarters, with its Innovation Center Europe, drives the product developments for the product groups. The company provides excellent service and support all over the world. Markoprint is their division of exceptionally highly efficient and innovative drop-on-demand inkjet printers.
Markoprint products are made for a wide range of industrial printing applications. Our technology partner Seiko utilizes us with the latest piezo printing technology with ink recirculation.
The Markoprint Integra PP108 printer with integrated print head from Seiko can be used with a wide range of inks. The robust device has a recirculating ink system which ensures consistently a very good print quality. At 150 meters per minute and 360 dpi, it applies information to absorbent surfaces at above average speed. Text changes at lightning speed with more than 50 variable data per second are possible. The print head is insensitive to vibrations and can therefore also be used in harsh production environments such as the wood industry. Font heights of up to 108 mm also enable large character printing, which is often required in this industry. With its high resolution of up to 360 by 1440 dpi, the Integra PP108 achieves very good print results. The Seiko certified inks are ideal for all kinds of marking tasks, including those in the food industry, as no substances harmful to health migrate through the packaging. Even non-absorbent surfaces can be reliably printed with a PP108 by using UV ink. This ink hardens under UV light within milliseconds and thus delivers an abrasion-resistant print result, for example on varnished surfaces. Unique is the bicolor print head, which can use two different ink colors at the same time. For example, it enables two-color GHS labeling in black and red with just one device. Other available colors are green and blue.
Development, production, integration is made in Germany. Your product, your application, together we make it work.